Hi everyone and happy Friday. It's Loriana here with JB Home Loans, and today I'm going to shoot a quick video that'll show you how to get free Facebook leads using Facebook groups. Facebook groups are an awesome way to get leads, engagement, and likes on your posts. If you're not already utilizing Facebook groups, definitely watch this video and see how to do that as a person in the real estate industry. If you have any questions at all, please join our digital marketing social club. We would love to see you there. And if this video is useful for you, please like, subscribe, and share with all your friends and other people in the industry. And yeah, I hope this helps and hope everyone's having a wonderful Friday. Thank you.
All right, so here we go. I've got my Facebook pulled up right here, and let me just hop through and show you how to do this. So Facebook groups are basically a way that people can network and connect together. You can join Facebook groups for any industry, but in this specific example, I'm going to go ahead and show you real estate industry for either mortgage or advertising your listings, advertising your sales, trying to find buyers, all that good stuff. So I've got Facebook popped open right here. And what I'm going to do is right here where it says search Facebook, I'm going to search real estate Los Angeles. All right. And then on the left-hand corner, I'm going to click groups. And there are so many groups that you can join where you can advertise all of your listings. You can advertise your services related to real estate, all of that stuff. So all I'm going to do, here's one group right here, Real Estate Investors, Los Angeles, California. I'm going to click this and I'm going to join the group. And sometimes the group will ask you a few questions. Maybe they'll ask for your email. Maybe they'll ask you to accept to the group rules. Just do whatever you can and join the groups. And make sure that you double check some of the groups. Usually the groups do allow you to advertise your videos and your listings. And what I'm also doing too to make it easier for you guys is I'm going to include a full Excel spreadsheet with a bunch of groups related to real estate in Southern California. And you could just click every URL and join them. And this is going to make it so much easier. And I'll include a link for you to download this. So once you're in all the groups that you wish to be, you can join as many as you want. You can join like 50, you could join 10, whatever you're comfortable with related to your industry. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to either your Facebook or your business page. So let me go ahead and go on our business page, which is, let me get here, JB Home Loans. All right. So I've got our business page pulled up right here, and just give it a hot second. All right, we've got our post right here. So here's one post that we made where we were able to get it clear to close in 3 days on one of our files. And I want to share this to realtors. I want them to know, hey, we're doing a good job. We're doing pretty fast. So all I'm going to do is once you make your post on your Facebook page or on your business page, you're just going to click share. And you're going to click share to a group. And we've got all the groups right here that I can share my post to. And like I said, most of these groups do allow for affiliates to post. They allow for you to post your listings, all that stuff. So let's just go ahead and post this in Realtors Los Angeles area. And then we've got our post linked right here, and we are sharing this to the realtors page. I can just type in whatever I want to. Let's say you want to type in something, a different comment or something like that. So, you can just type in whatever you want and then just click post, and that will post to that group. Now, the cool thing about groups is these groups, as I have in my Excel spreadsheet, there are some groups that have a behemoth amount of members. Like, for example, Real Estate Buyers Forum. This has 167,000 members. So if you were to post your listing, you cross-post your listing from your page to this group, you are possibly getting in front of 167,000 people all for free. And, like I said, you can join as many as you want. You can join as little as you want. And just keep sharing your posts to these groups. And it's free marketing. I'm telling you, it's free marketing. And people will see it. People could possibly comment on it. People could see one of your listings and say, hey, I got a buyer that might be interested in that, all that stuff. And yeah, so I really hope that this helps. It's just a really simple, easy thing that I feel like not a lot of people are utilizing enough. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to post it in the Digital Marketing Social Club. Again, Loriana here. I've been in marketing for about 5 years now. I'm happy to answer any of your questions. And yeah, hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their day. Thank you. Bye-bye.